In this video, I'll show you how to assign jobs to employees in Housecall Pro step by step to make your workflow smoother and more efficient. By the end, you'll be able to delegate tasks to your team with confidence and make the most out of this powerful tool. Before we dive in, if you're new to Housecall Pro, you're in luck. You can get started with this software for free, thanks to an exclusive bonus through the link below. Stick around for the details. Now, let's get started with assigning jobs to your employees. Housecall Pro simplifies the process by letting you assign jobs in just a few clicks. First, you'll want to head over to your dashboard. From there, find the job you want to assign. If you're working with an existing job, click on it to open the job details page. If you're starting a new job, simply create one, and you'll be able to assign it right after. Once you're in the job details, you'll notice an Assign Employee option. Click that and you'll see a list of all your available team members. You can sort them by skills, availability, or any other filters you've set up. Housecall Pro allows you to customize which team members are available for specific types of jobs, so you can make sure the right person is always assigned. After you select your employee, they'll automatically receive a notification about the new job assignment, which means no more confusion or missed tasks. Your employee will see all the job details in their app, including customer information, job specifics, and even payment details if necessary. Another cool feature is that you can assign jobs on the fly, even while you're out in the field. With Housecall Pro's mobile app, you can make updates in real time, ensuring that your employees always have the most up-to-date information. Let's talk about job tracking. Once jobs are assigned, you can easily track their status, see when they're marked as complete, and view any updates your employee makes. If something comes up, you can quickly reassign the job or adjust the schedule directly from your dashboard, keeping everything in sync. Housecall Pro also allows you to add notes and documents to jobs. This is a handy feature when you need to pass on extra details to your team, such as special instructions from clients or additional information they might need to complete the job properly. So why is Housecall Pro so powerful when it comes to assigning jobs? It's all about efficiency. By keeping everything in one platform, job assignments, employee tracking, customer communications, and more, you'll save time, reduce mistakes, and keep your team organized. As we wrap up, remember that Housecall Pro is offering a free trial for new users. You can get full access to all the features, including job assignment, without any initial costs. Simply click the first link in the description for your exclusive extended free trial. That's it. You're now ready to efficiently assign jobs to your team in Housecall Pro. It's a simple process, but it makes a big difference in your day-to-day operations. Don't forget to check out the link below for your exclusive offer, and make sure to use Housecall Pro to streamline your business today.